Here I have ALCATEL 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So firstly, you will have to open settings, then you have to go to the storage section, then to your SD card, then you have to tap here, go to storage settings and select option format, and then tap erase and format, and after a few seconds your SD card will be formatted and ready to use. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.